The model is both aesthetically pleasing and operationally impactful because to its futuristic form and eye-catching coloring. To produce a subtle shadow effect, the upper is composed of smooth synthetic leather with a gradient from white to gray. The overall appearance is given a sense of tightness and harmony by the black lining and the region surrounding the shoelace holes. Vibrant yellow is used to highlight the swoosh, outsole, and Shox piston, giving the impression of movement and vitality. In addition to being a design element, this color block has a noticeable impact on the roadway. The curves, which resemble a sports car's body lines, elegantly highlight movement and are simple to incorporate into street style. Combining shock absorption and rebound power, the Shox Series 4-pillar cushioning design ensures both the comfort of a lifestyle model and the performance of a running shoe.